on then.
What's going on, you guys? You know that I am not gonna pass through Indonesia without a stop to the farm. So we are here, we just got here, and we're gonna spend the next few hours going through some stuff. I need to make my business a priority, so I need to be going through this stuff and making actual business decisions on what I'm gonna be taking and what I need in that. But we are gonna film some stuff, maybe not as in-depth as we've done in the past, because it would be redundant and you've seen it, but anything that I see that's extra interesting would definitely show it to you guys. And I got a lot of work to do, so let's get started. We are here coordinating with the food delivery. So he has some, looks like some vegetables and things and some live chicks. So we may do a little bit of feeding later. Hey you guys, this is worth talking about. I haven't had any elephant trunks in a while. Looks like we have one big female that's going to be available to me. And then over here we have babies, and there's more babies beyond this, but should be having some of these available pretty soon. Some of the obscure stuff, people have been asking me a lot about these lately. So that's some cool obscurity to find over here. Wasn't expecting these. All right, you guys, some of you have been messaging me for morph tokes, so I am definitely going to be looking through and doing some hand selecting of morph tokes. And here's a nice leucistic. So the rain got us a little bit earlier than normal. It's 12:30 in the afternoon and it's pouring rain. So I don't know how that's going to affect our filming. I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but we're still going to give it a try. Okay, you guys, we got lucky. The rain actually stopped. I still hear some thunder, so I don't know if we got more rain coming or not, but it's a good sign that the rain stopped so we can get out under here, get our camera equipment safely out here to these buildings. We still have some more stuff that we want to look through. We tackled some of it, but we want to continue taking care of business. And it's just beautiful out here. These grounds are, it's like a botanical garden. It's just amazing. All right, you guys, here's some cool ones. We're talking about water python. I'm gonna try once again to get this animal. Maybe there's some others. I haven't looked all through it yet, but I really want some of these. Very pretty. So far, you guys, I've only seen one scrub python. It's a real nice Merauke animal that is probably never been held and is musking me like crazy, but because I like scrubs, I figure I show you guys. There may be some others in there, but so far I only see this one. There are some eggs incubating, so there should be some babies here pretty soon. Hopefully they make it in time for my shipment. Hopefully they hatch in time. That way I can get some very, very fresh baby scrubs. Would be great. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's visit to the farm. It's a little bit different than the other videos. I actually did have the need to go through and hammer out some business. I hand selected a bunch of stuff. Should have some green tree pythons, some monitors, blue tongue skinks, some elephant trunks, babies, and that one adult hopefully makes it into the shipment, and a few other surprises. But yeah, it's always good when I come out to the farm, actually get a chance to talk to my supplier face to face, gossip a little bit. It's just a better way to communicate than putting it all through email and WhatsApp. So always very productive when I come out here and enjoyable. I never know what I'm gonna see, and today was certainly one of those days. The trip's not over yet. Tomorrow we are flying to Bali to visit another friend of ours who's actually a reptile enthusiast, an animal enthusiast. So hopefully we'll get some good videos going of that, get the drone up in the air, show you guys a little bit of what Bali looks like. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos, enjoying seeing what we're doing on the trip. That is about it. Please subscribe if you want to be notified of future uploads. Got some more videos dropping here in the next couple of days. Thank you for watching. See ya.